Hi everyone. Welcome to Blue Mile Wave Studio. Today, we will talk about the natural rough diamond formation, mining process, and how they are brought to the surface of the Earth by volcanic eruption. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Volcanic eruptions bring natural rough diamonds to the surface of the Earth before being mined. But not just any eruption, these are rare, violent, and extremely fast-moving eruptions that happened hundreds of millions to billions of years ago. These eruptions formed vertical pipes known as kimberlite and lamproid pipes. As molten magma from the mantle raced upward through cracks in the crust, it tore through the diamond stability zone, carrying those precious crystals along with it. The speed was critical. The eruption had to be rapid, more than 30 kilometers per hour, because if the diamonds lingered too long near the surface, the high heat would cause them to degrade back into graphite. Diamonds are born more than 150 kilometers, sometimes up to 700 kilometers, beneath the Earth's surface, in the upper mantle. Here, carbon atoms are subjected to unimaginable pressure, over 725,000 pounds per square inch, and temperatures above 1,100 degrees Celsius. In these extreme conditions, carbon atoms begin to bond in a specific cubic crystal structure. It's this structure that gives diamonds their legendary hardness, the hardest natural material known to man. Before a diamond sparkles under the showroom lights or finds its place in a breathtaking piece of jewelry, it undergoes a journey as extraordinary as the gem itself. Buried deep within the Earth for over a billion years, natural diamonds begin their story in the heart of ancient mines, and end in the hands of expert gemologists and jewelers across the world. In the icy heart of Siberia lies a diamond mine so vast, it's practically a treasure vault carved into permafrost. Welcome to Aikhal, the biggest diamond mine in Russia, where extreme weather meets extreme wealth. Aikhal is located in the remote Sakha Republic, deep in Russia's far east. It's part of a region known for some of the richest kimberlite deposits on Earth. The story began in 1961, when Soviet geologists confirmed the presence of diamond-rich kimberlite pipes. Soon after, mining began under extreme Arctic conditions and often with little modern technology. Today, the mine is operated by Alrosa, one of the world's leading diamond producers. Aikhal operates both open-pit and underground mines, depending on the deposit. Workers extract ore through blasting and transport it for processing at nearby plants. Here, diamonds are separated from host rock using crushers, X-ray fluorescence, and grease tables, a fascinating process that turns dusty ore into sparkling fortune. Winters can drop to -60 degrees Celsius, -76 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet, thousands of workers live and work here, drawn by good wages and steady work. Aikhal isn't just a mine, it's a town. Built from scratch by the Soviets, it houses schools, clinics, and even sports facilities. Russia produces more rough diamonds by volume than any other country, and most of that comes from mines like Aikhal. Through Alrosa, these stones end up in auctions and jewelry stores around the globe. In one of the coldest places on Earth, Russia's biggest diamond mine never sleeps. It's a monument to human resilience, and the hidden wealth beneath the ice. To find a diamond is to uncover a piece of Earth's deep history, formed 1 to 3 billion years ago under extreme pressure and heat, 100 miles beneath the surface. These carbon crystals rose to the surface in violent volcanic eruptions, encased in pipes of a rare rock called kimberlite. Open-pit mining is used when diamonds are relatively close to the surface. Massive machines dig deep into the Earth, layer by layer, extracting kimberlite ore. The ore is then transported for crushing and screening, a process that separates diamond-rich rock from the waste material. Modern mining companies are increasingly bound by strict ethical and environmental standards. Diamonds are now traced through the Kimberley process, ensuring they are conflict-free. In regions like Botswana and Canada, diamond revenues fund healthcare, education, and local infrastructure. Their next destination, the gemologist's lab, where their internal secrets are revealed. Once sorted and categorized, these rough diamonds make their way into the hands of GIA-certified gemologists, professionals trained to assess a diamond's value and potential. Using high-powered microscopes and digital tools, they inspect clarity, color, crystal orientation, and any inclusions within the diamond. With precise 3D mapping and scanning, gemologists identify the most profitable way to cut each stone. The goal? Maximize brilliance and retain carat weight while minimizing flaws. Responsible miners also rehabilitate land post-extraction, refilling pits, replanting vegetation, and restoring ecosystems. The moment a rough diamond is spotted, sometimes by eye, sometimes by X-ray fluorescence, is one of awe. A raw stone, often no bigger than a fingernail, but with the potential to become a world-class gem. From here, its transformation begins. Once sorted, weighed, and documented, these rough diamonds are ready for the hands of science and artistry. The journey from rough stone to radiant brilliance begins with a decision, one that will define a diamond's destiny forever. This is the world of diamond mapping, cutting, and polishing, a delicate dance between technology and tradition. Each rough diamond is first scanned using high-resolution 3D imaging systems. These digital scans allow gemologists to examine every internal inclusion, natural flaw, and growth line unseen to the naked eye. Using state-of-the-art mapping software, specialists simulate dozens, sometimes hundreds, of cutting options. The goal? Maximize beauty, brilliance, and value, while minimizing waste. One rough stone can yield multiple gems. The software helps determine the best way to cut for carat retention, optimal light performance, and minimal imperfections. It's a game of millimeters and millions. After planning, the rough diamond is ready for its first separation. If the crystal has a natural cleavage plane, a skilled cutter may split it with a sharp steel blade and a single, precise strike. But for most modern cuts, high-powered lasers are used. Laser sawing is incredibly precise. A beam of light can slice cleanly through the hardest substance on Earth, minimizing heat damage and preserving clarity. Next comes bruting, a shaping process that defines the diamond silhouette. In round brilliant cuts, for instance, the stone is rounded into its iconic circle by grinding one diamond against another. Why use diamonds to cut diamonds? Because only a diamond is hard enough to shape another. This step sets the stage for the faceting process ahead. Now the artistry begins. Faceting involves cutting tiny, flat surfaces on the diamond, each one a carefully calculated angle designed to bounce light perfectly through the stone. A round brilliant cut has 57 or 58 facets. Each facet influences how light enters, bounces, and exits the diamond, creating sparkle, fire, and scintillation. It's a delicate balance of geometry and genius. Even a fraction of a degree in error can dull the stone's brilliance. Polishing is the final stage, where brilliance is born. Using a cast iron scathe coated in diamond dust and oil, the cutter smooths each facet to a mirror-like finish. It can take dozens of hours to complete one stone. Some large or rare diamonds are worked on for weeks or months. Each facet must be flawless, each angle exact. Diamonds come in many shapes, each with its own personality. The round brilliant remains the most popular, prized for maximum sparkle. But fancy cuts, like emerald, pear, or ash-share, offer unique charm and elegance. Each shape demands a different cutting philosophy. Emerald cuts highlight clarity and luster. Cushion cuts offer a soft, romantic glow. Hard shapes require perfect symmetry, a labor of love, quite literally. Despite advances in automation, diamond cutting remains a deeply human craft. It takes years, sometimes decades, to master the feel of a stone, the instinct of when to apply pressure, and the artistry to create perfect balance. Every diamond that leaves the cutter's bench is a reflection of their skill, patience, and eye for perfection. Now polished and gleaming, the diamond is ready to be graded and certified. But its transformation, from raw earth to radiant gem, is already a masterpiece of nature, science, and human artistry. Before reaching consumers, polished diamonds undergo professional grading by renowned gemological laboratories like the GIA. Each diamond is assessed on the 4Cs, carat, cut, color, and clarity, and issued a grading report with laser inscription for authenticity and traceability. This step ensures trust and transparency between the mine, the market, and the final buyer. Now certified and graded, these brilliant stones are ready to become works of wearable art. Expert jewelers set each diamond into custom-crafted settings, crafted in gold, platinum, or white gold, designed to complement and elevate each stone's unique sparkle. Many of these masterpieces debut at prestigious gem shows, where collectors, investors, and designers marvel at their beauty and craftsmanship.
Double O. call you if there's something went wrong.
Okay. Deal. We can check.
It is here, in the hands of gemologists and jewelers, that each diamond tells its final story, no longer hidden in rock, but radiating its timeless brilliance for the world to see. From the depths of the earth to the brilliance of the showroom, the journey of a natural diamond is one of transformation, precision, and passion. Every sparkle carries a legacy of billions of years, waiting to become part of someone's story. What began as a buried crystal in the earth's crust, now radiates as a marvel of nature and human craftsmanship. Each facet, each sparkle, tells a story of fire, pressure, transformation, and vision. These are more than stones. They are ancient starlight, captured and shaped into wearable eternity. In prestigious gem shows around the world, collectors and connoisseurs gather to witness the final act of the diamond's journey. A showcase of elegance. A celebration of the journey from mine to masterpiece. In the hands of experts, diamonds are not just valued, they are understood. Cherished. Interpreted. Every stone becomes a statement of rarity, love, and legacy. Across continents and cultures, diamonds connect us. From the hands that unearth them to those who cut, polish, grade, set, and finally wear them, each person adds to the diamond story. Born of the earth. Perfected by precision. Carried by human hands. And destined to last forever. This is the journey of a natural diamond.
Subscribe for more videos like this.